So instead of like learning all of this tool sa marketing, focus ka na lang saan ka magaling or to your zone of genius. Diretso na tayo with secret number 1, which is autopilot system. Ang goal lang ng secret na to or the focus of this autopilot is for you to have appointment booking system. Is anyone here may appointment system now or booking system? Can you type 1 in the chat para we can recognize then na you're doing a good job if ever? Yes, that's our secret number 1. You should have an appointment system. So that will going to set you apart from the rest of the real estate agents. And automated follow-ups then via email, SMS, Messenger, and if you're having like a WhatsApp business account, you can integrate it as well. So separate siya sa plan, pero you can apply this. So instead of like learning all of this tool sa marketing, focus ka na lang saan ka magaling or to your zone of genius. If you're really good at closing deals, focus ka na lang dun and let the system do its job to follow up, to receive appointments sa calendar, diba? Ayan.